Hello, you've reached part 2 of my restoration video for 1973 AutoCAD Panther. I hope you enjoy it. I put a lot of work into it, and let's get started. So the key to this project was clean, clean, clean. I got to the point where my arms hurt. It was a lot of cleaning, a lot of degreasing, a lot of polishing. Just when I thought I was done doing all that, there was more to clean. So here I'm just doing final prep so I could get some paint work done. I had a little bit of welding to do, which we did do off camera, but yeah, just final cleaning and final sanding of that steel bulkhead structure. During the whole cleaning process here, I'm hoping that I'm doing right by Pete's gift and doing the project justice. So at this point, it's ready for a little bit of welding, and then it's going to be paint prep. I did decide to take the foot pans out just to clean them up a little bit. I'm glad I did, because it really did uncover some more grime and dirt. So I was able to clean the pans up, and at the end you'll see we'll put them back in. At this point, it's just going to be more of the same, so I'll throw a little music on just for enjoyment, for a little change. Enjoy the rest of it, and I'll see you at the end. So as you can see, I'm pretty blessed to have a blast cabinet at my work. I don't do too much stuff in there, but it is nice to have that as an option. The foot pans turned out great, and I was really glad I took them out. This is the milestone. This is where things start to go back together. I'm pretty happy that we've reached now a turning point. So that right foot pan is literally the first part to go back on the project. We've reached this milestone and I'm pretty stoked about it. So now I'm getting to put this left foot pan in again. I am just stoked. This is really a turning point, and I am just happy as can be. Well, this pretty much wraps up part 2 of the 73 AutoCAD Panther restoration video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a blast to make. And hey, leave me some comments. Let me know how I'm doing. We'll see you on the next one.